Are you trying to lose weight but don't know what to eat for breakfast? Don't worry. Today, I'm sharing 5 delicious, low-calorie, high-protein breakfast recipes that will help you lose weight fast, keep you full for hours, and boost your metabolism from the very start of your day. So let's begin. Start your morning with a warm, creamy, protein-packed oatmeal bowl. Ingredients: half cup oats, 1 cup water or low-fat milk, 1 spoon chia seeds, half banana or berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Instructions: cook your oats for 2 to 3 minutes, add chia seeds for extra fiber, top with fruits and cinnamon. This keeps you full and helps control cravings all day. Calories: 280 to 300 only.
Recipe 2. 3-ingredient egg muffins. Next is a super easy grab-and-go breakfast. Ingredients: 2 eggs, chopped veggies including capsicum, spinach or onion, salt and black pepper. Whisk eggs, mix veggies, pour into muffin molds and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. High in protein, 0 oil and perfect for weight loss. Calories: 150 to 180 per serving.
Recipe 3. Green detox smoothie. For a refreshing start, try this fat-burning green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 cucumber, half apple, 1 lemon, 1 cup cold water. Instructions: blend everything until smooth. This boosts digestion, burns stubborn fat, and keeps you hydrated all morning. Calories: 120 to 150 only. Recipe 4. Avocado plus egg toast. If you love toast, this healthy option is perfect. Ingredients: 1 whole wheat toast, half avocado, 1 boiled egg, black pepper, and lemon. Instructions: mash the avocado, spread it on the toast, add egg slices, and sprinkle pepper. Rich in healthy fats and protein. Keeps cravings away. Calories: 250 to 280 per toast. Recipe 5. Yogurt plus fruit plus nuts bowl. And the quickest weight loss breakfast ever. Ingredients: a cup of low-fat yogurt, a handful of berries or apple, 5 to 6 almonds. Instructions: just mix everything and enjoy. Light, nutritious, and perfect for busy mornings. Calories: 200 to 230 only. These 5 breakfast recipes are low-calorie, high-protein, and super filling. Perfect for anyone who wants to lose weight fast without feeling hungry. If you want a full 7-day diet plan video, comment diet plan below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss content.